ওকে ইংরেজিরা শুরু করো।
Assalamualaikum. Respected judges, esteemed guests, and fellow learners. A very good morning to all. Me and my group members are representing Department of English of Government City College, Chattogram. In our group, I'm the group leader 𝗬𝗚𝗙𝗎 and my other speaker for the 𝗓𝗓𝗙 and 𝗬𝗚𝗙𝗎𝗢. Today, artificial intelligence is one of the most recognizable and remarkable inventions in science. But some issues are always keep in our mind. Is AI real intelligence? Is there anyone behind it? Is there any morality in it? Well, today's presentation discuss about these curious things, and that is artificial intelligence and morality. Let's know about the key points of our session. Artificial intelligence and its applications, principles of artificial intelligence, morality and why morality matters in AI, artificial intelligence in day-to-day life. Let's move on to the main point. Artificial intelligence is a computer science which focuses on creating systems performing tasks which require human intelligence. Artificial intelligence is like a mirror. It reflects our intelligence, but in a different way. These systems are doing many complex tasks such as reasoning, solving problems, and making decisions. Let's move on to the next slide. The bulk of artificial intelligence in 1950th century, when the pioneers like Alan Turing and John McCarthy doing their theoretical groundwork. The famous Turing test in 1950, when John McCarthy used the term artificial intelligence in 1946. And now we discuss about the applications of AI. Personalized shopping experience is one of the most famous applications in our everyday life, and these consume our time, and this sector are related e-commerce. Healthcare. Medical image analysis, identify disease, personalized treatment plans, patient monitoring, and another thing is wonderful applications are related in our medical science. In retail sector, we already know about recommendation systems and safety. In our manufacturing side, we also know about inventory management and safety management. AI application uses a very wider rules in self-driving cars. It increases the road safety and reduce the traffic blocking. Business marketing. Social media platforms, data analysis, and social media content sharing is another most famous application of AI. Let's move on to the next slide. AI was invented to tackle a wide range of challenges. AI instantly identifies the bias and discrimination and raise awareness. AI is related in our privacy issues also. The ultimate goal is to create intelligent systems which understand able to maintain the complex environment. Now we discuss about the applications of AI. AI exceptionally well suited for repetitive jobs. It don't get tired or bored. It's constantly performing the overall task. It also invented the new inventions. Our daily life, we related some applications and we already know about AI applications directly connected these applications. And such as smartphones, camera features for face recognition, image enhancement, etc. Reducing human error. AI reducing human error many times and it plays a vital role. And these increase human capabilities and support the decision making. Faster decision. AI is famous for faster decisions. It's making the faster decisions which helps our human life and it improves the effectively and efficiency. Ultimately, these systems are designed for benefiting society. Thank you very much for your great attention. Now I would like to invite my next speaker for their free to discuss about more relevant topics. Thank you.
Hello everyone, Assalamualaikum. I am 𝗓𝗏𝗘. I would like to thank you first in the room for calling me on the stage. Now I would like to discuss about morality and its effects on artificial intelligence. So without further delay, let's start. Before these things, we have to know what is morality. Morality standards about what is wrong and right or what is evil and good. Now I would like to discuss about how does morality matter in artificial intelligence. Morality is important for people to make good decisions. Artificial intelligence can't really do what best for people or follow moral rules on its like a person. People who make the artificial intelligence called programmers have to tell it what to do by giving it rules to follow. If programmers have the morality, then artificial intelligence also go with the good too. My previous team members have already said a lot of things about artificial intelligence. Now I would like to say more elaborate things with graphs and plots. These graphs and charts show us how business industries is adopting artificial intelligence and how much it is costing for using artificial intelligence. As the graph we can see, healthcare industry is the most. As the graph healthcare industry is the most adoption artificial intelligence. As the graph we can see, healthcare industry is the adoption of artificial intelligence among most other industries, less than 80%. However, transportation is the lowest artificial intelligence consuming industry is just about 40%. Education and manufacturing adoption rate of artificial intelligence is next to it. Education and artificial intelligence is being held in 50%, whereas manufacturing is less than 60%. In retail industry, artificial intelligence is being used less than finance industry because finance industry is less than 60%, whereas retail is just about 50%. This graph is surveyed by Gartner and Corporation in March 2023. Let's move to the next slide. Here is a line graph about invested money in artificial intelligence. In the peak time, at the first sight we can see 2023 is the peak year where most money are invested in artificial intelligence. In that year, $100 billion are invested. Let's overview the graph. In 2015 to 2017, there is a slight growth of investment. In this total period, $53 billion are invested. After that, in 2018, adoption invested in artificial intelligence hit $20 billion. From that, it has drastically grown from 2019 to 2023. In this total period, $310 billion are invested in global for artificial intelligence. As we are talking about the artificial intelligence, certainly we can say that it is for the betterment of society. Artificial intelligence can't replace humans, but we can negate the fact that artificial intelligence can do what can't human beings. Let's move to the bigger side. When a software called ChatGPT was launched, everyone got afraid and think that they will lose their job. But they didn't think they will use artificial intelligence to create more powerful speech. Here is the difference why we shouldn't use artificial intelligence and why shouldn't we operate artificial intelligence and create more powerful speech. Here I have mentioned the positive side of artificial intelligence. There are some barriers that will be discussed by my next team member Abdul. So I'd like to call my next team member Abdul to move forward with the topic. Thank you all for your attention.
Assalamualaikum. Good morning everyone. I'm Mohammad Rubel Ahmed. I'm cordially thankful my previous team member Chattogram for inviting me on the stage to discuss about the next part of the presentation. We have seen about AI and morality. Now I'll discuss some more relevant topics to the presentation. We use AI in our daily life even without knowing it. At first we can see navigation app like Google Maps, which help us to go to the desired destination. Then comes rideshare, which allows a number of people to use the same vehicle to get to the nearby destination. After that, we see facial recognition. That means when a face record in any component, then that component will recognize that face, not others. Afterwards, smart assistant like Google Assistant, which help us to know about the time and weather outside, like human. After that, we also play some music for us according to our taste. After that, media recommendation like YouTube Music. Whenever we search for anything, then comes everything related to that topic according to our taste. Lastly, we see autonomous vehicle, which means it's moved by itself without human. All these things are the functions of AI which advance our life too much. Let's move on the next slide. Here we can see a famous AI tools named ChatGPT. Show the video to see how ChatGPT provides the correct answer of any question asked by the user. Let's go to the next slide. Through the video, you'll see AI tools named as speed. Through the tool we make audio video from the text within some time, which saves our time. It's also the function of AI. So far we've seen the functions of AI in our daily life. But we have to remember one thing, that AI also has bad side. We see here the risk of AI. Firstly, as AI becomes more complex, there is a risk of being hacked, which the security threats. Then, as AI can accept and analyze more personal data, which destroys the privacy, which is also a concern for our human being in near future. After that, AI creates inequality because automation system could lead to us some job being replaced by the machine. After that, we cannot rely on AI system too much because over-reliance on AI without proper human instruction could lead to the errors. Lastly, AI distracts our decision making by providing the irrelevant suggestion alone. Here we can see an example of risk of AI. So the video will see how AI is used wrongly through the human. It's called the deepfake making video. Now I will discuss what to do to free from the negative aspects of AI. Firstly, for this we have to answer these questions. The first answer will be no, because AI has no ability to think about what is moral or what is immoral, because it totally depends on its data which is inputted by human. After that, as AI makes by human or designed by human, so human brains will have to be ensured that what should be allowed to AI or what should not be allowed to AI, and our filter should be put to be AI, that AI neither accept nor express anything bad which is embarrassing for human being. AI accepts only the good things, only then AI behaves morally. Thank you for your great attention. Now I would like to invite my team members for the Q&A part. If you have any relevant questions, please ask us, we will answer it.
Question please. Any question? No question. ধন্যবাদ ইংরেজি বিভাগকে তাদের সুন্দর
Thank you again. Thank you. Thank you again for your great attention with so patiently.